We warned you that Elizabeth River tunnels could take you to court if overdue toll bills weren't paid by the first of the month.
Well, today, 10 on your side talked to a couple that did the opposite. They took ERT to small claims court and got their fees waived. Deanna LeBlanc joins us live in the newsroom. Deanna, those charges and fees started when their card unlinked from their account. Explain.
Right, Anita, it's a common problem, perhaps one that has happened to some of the people watching at home. The Kushner family noticed the problem only once they got that bill for the higher pay-by-plate rate. When they tried to get it fixed, they felt unsatisfied with customer service, so they took ERT straight to court. A month of tunnel trips added up fast for the Kushner family when their Easy Pass unlinked from their card and went negative.
They keep throwing fees upon you. At one point, they had us for $10 of fees for each trip that I made.
Chris Kushner says his first bill was for about $18, but by the time he called customer service, fees drove the bill up close to $80. An outspoken toll opponent, Kushner hung up and filed suit against ERT in small claims court. The damages he estimated for time in trouble to be around $500.
We definitely got their attention by having them show up with some pretty big artillery to go against us.
Kushner said 4 ERT reps showed up and encouraged him to meet them in mediation. That's where Kushner said he first learned his once $18 bill now added up to $483.
He had said that we didn't have to, quote unquote, drag them into court. And he said that they would be willing to eliminate the fees for us.
ERT waived his fees, dropped his rate back to the Easy Pass price, but didn't pay any damages. Today, an ERT customer service rep told me they would have done the same if Kushner had just stayed on the phone. He never needed to take them to court. Kushner disagrees.
The way that the whole system worked, where anytime we were on the phone, the numbers were different, I just couldn't, I didn't trust that it would have worked if we hadn't gone as far as we did.
Well, in the end, Kushner dismissed his suit. So how can you make sure this doesn't happen to you? ERT says to make sure you have an in-state Easy Pass through VDOT. If you have that, you can then sign up for text or email alerts when your balance gets low. And the customer service rep told us that if your card unlinks from your Easy Pass and you get a pay-by-plate fee, they will now be willing to waive those fees for customers in good standing who call right away. In the newsroom, I'm Deanna LeBlanc, 10 on your side.